Hi, my name is Darren Joseph from HTJ.tax, and we're the team that seeks to demystify that sometimes confusing world of international tax. And today we have the honor and privilege of having another conversation with Leonardo. Leonardo, could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, Darren, thank you very much for having me. I'd like to start by saying hello to everyone that is watching. My name is Leonardo Marques Sanchez. Just call me Leo, it's easier. I'm a tax lawyer, a tax partner in a law firm in Portugal, also a tax law professor at the Portuguese Catholic University. My main areas of focus at this point are national, domestic, and international issues pertaining to individuals. So I think that's a little bit of what we are going to discuss today, right?
All right, fantastic. Now, arising from what you were discussing earlier about returning nationals, what are the consequences of being considered tax resident in Portugal without realizing it? How does that work?
It's a huge risk. I mean, if you're deemed tax resident in Portugal, tax authorities may tax
Uh,
you over your worldwide income. And sometimes
mm,
people say, well, I didn't set foot in Portugal. Okay. But if the tax authority, what the records show is that you were resident here. So we have to explain that to the tax authorities. And while my policy, if you will, in terms of dealing with these sort of issues is that it is better if we anticipate the problem and play offense than to play
mm,
defense. So if we realize that you are resident in Portugal by mistake, let's
mm,
file a petition. It's not a complex procedure, as I said. Let's file a petition and try to erase the fact of residency right away and
mhm.
avoid having the tax authorities knocking on your door, so to speak,
Uh,
claiming taxation on your worldwide income. There are European directives, there are tax treaties that will allow tax authorities to
mm,
understand what income you've derived. Because if you're already in an audit procedure, well, you're already running behind, right? You have
mhm.
to explain yourself, and it's always more difficult to explain yourself to the tax authorities
Yeah.
than just to come up front and say, oh, that was a mistake. This is the document. That's it.
Mhm. Exactly. Fantastic. Thank you very much for that. Leo, if people wanted to get in touch with you, to hire yourself, to hire your team, what's the best way to find you?
I think I can be easily found on Google. So just Google my name,
Mhm.
Leonardo Marques Duchens, and I think the law firm, Miranda's law firm website will immediately pop up with my email addresses. That will be easier. I'm easy to find.
All right, fantastic. Thank you.